Hello, so basically today I've got to unblock a basin waste. Now this has got two adjoining basins on there, so using a plunger just ain't going to cut it. The pressure in there will just go up the other basin, and that's it. The second option would be trying to suck the blockage out, but that's not going to work either. So what I wanted to show you is this 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐻, which is an electronic drain cleaner. So basically you can push it forward. This is 2.7 meters. Basically this is 2.7 meters where you can get all the way out and you can bring it back in again. And it's simple as that. This is flexible enough to go around bends and get that blockage. And I'm going to show you how to use this 𝐬𝐻𝐬𝐻 electric drain cleaner. And so here we've got a basin that's blocked. It's got the joining basin, so it's hard to use a force cup or plunger to unblock this. So basically we're going to take off this trap and we're going to use the electronic drain cleaner. So to do that, we need to take off this trap here, this part, and then take off this part. With it being blocked, there may be some water that comes out of here. So you get a hoover. So what we're going to use, we're going to use this 𝐬𝐻𝐬𝐻 electric drain cleaner. I've shown you how this works before. When we get in there, we want to be basically pulling it backwards and forwards. This will go around corners, it will go around bends. So once it's in there, you'll see the action that I'm doing, pulling it back and pushing it back down again. So let's get that done. So if you hit another corner, what you want to do is just pull it forward to get it around that corner. So you can see that all this is starting to come out now. So what I'm going to do is get a bit of tissue. You can see that's all clogged up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the trap back on and we're going to test to see if that's got rid of that blockage. Run the hot water down the pipes and make sure that it's fully done.